Meet TradingAgents, the open-source framework that brings large language models into the heartbeat of financial trading systems. If you've ever wanted to prototype a multi-agent trading desk powered by the latest in generative AI, TradingAgents gives you that out of the box. It tackles the real-world challenge of weaving together advanced AI, live market data, and robust trading logic, all in one cohesive platform. Ready to see the future of automated trading research? TradingAgents comes alive by orchestrating a team of specialized agents. Think of analysts, traders, risk managers, all collaborating to navigate the markets. Each agent plays a specific role. Analysts pore over news and fundamentals, researchers surface new strategies, and traders execute on insights, all under the vigilant eye of risk management. The magic lies in how these agents are wired together. Market data streams in from various APIs, like AlphaVantage or Yahoo Finance, feeding fresh, real-time information to the system. Agents access this flow, and when faced with a decision point, they tap into large language models, whether that's GPT, Gemini, Claude, or Grok, to interpret complex signals, craft narratives, or recommend trades. The architecture promotes a flow where insights aren't siloed. Agents share, reason, and escalate recommendations across defined channels. For example, the researcher might flag a sudden anomaly, prompting the analyst to dig deeper, whose findings ripple through to the trader for action. All of this unfolds within a runtime environment designed to mirror real-world trading desks, where combining sharp logic with the creative muscle of LLMs leads to smarter, more adaptable strategies. The codebase is organized to reflect the modular philosophy behind TradingAgents. At its heart, you'll find distinct boundaries for agent logic, data ingestion, and interaction patterns, a clarity that makes the whole system both accessible and extensible. Start with TradingAgents/agents/_init___.py. This is your gateway to the core agent classes, analysts, researchers, managers, traders, and more. Each one is encapsulated in its own directory and follows a plug-and-play design, making it straightforward to swap or extend agent behaviors for new roles or strategies. Next, jump to TradingAgents/dataflow/interface.py. This is where market data enters the ecosystem. The dataflow subpackage standardizes interaction with external sources, whether that's price feeds, news, or financial statements, and ensures agents receive clean, structured input in real time. By decoupling data ingestion from agent logic, you get more reliable, scalable workflows. Finally, the CLI/main.py file powers the command line interface. This is your direct line to launching agents, running simulations, or prototyping new configurations. It's crafted for usability, letting you boot experimental agent teams or monitor decision flows with just a few commands. Patterns borrowed from both classic multi-agent architectures and modern LLM-powered tools are woven throughout. Separation of concerns is more than a buzzword here, it's what enables teams to rapidly iterate, collaborate, and scale from quick tests to high-throughput trading experiments. Now let's talk about the architecture and how all the pieces fit together. Over to you, James.
Thanks, Lena. Picture this: at the foundation, you have data flows connecting out to live market data providers, say, AlphaVantage or Yahoo Finance. Those data flows act as the system's bloodstream, pulling in tick data, news events, and financial reports, then standardizing and delivering them to the agent network. Once the data is in, each agent, analyst, researcher, trader, and risk manager sits as a node in an orchestration graph. Think of this graph as the trading floor. Data flows to the analyst, who interprets trends with the help of an LLM, flags anomalies, and passes structured insights along. The researcher might spawn new hypotheses, suggest alternative strategies, or even coordinate with the analyst for a deeper dive. Their outputs converge at the manager, who weighs overall strategy and current exposures. From there, the baton passes to the trader agent, which computes actionable signals and interacts with simulated or real trading interfaces. Overlaying this, the risk manager monitors collective system health, stress tests scenarios, or enforces constraints across all activity. Redis under the hood ensures all agents have efficient, durable access to shared state and time series data, while Pandas powers the more advanced analyses and feature engineering. The real glue is the orchestration logic within the graph. Here, agent outputs are routed, transformed, and composed, whether that's narrative reasoning from an LLM or statistical analysis piped from a data flow. You can even experiment with different LLM providers for agent decisioning without altering the core workflow. Authors put a lot of care into making that a first-class feature. So the sequence is clear: data ingestion flows in, agents process and communicate, decisions are made, and trades are either simulated or sent out. This modular flow lets you add or replace agents, plug in new data sources, or swap LLM providers with ease. And that's the overall architecture. Over to you, Lena.
Appreciate the walkthrough, James. So, who's this platform perfect for? TradingAgents is a dream come true for quantitative researchers, AI engineers, and trading strategy developers who want to blend the intelligence of LLMs with real-world market mechanics. If you're experimenting with multi-agent workflows, developing LLM-driven trading bots, or even orchestrating simulated trading competitions, this toolkit lowers the barrier significantly. Getting started is intentionally straightforward. Set up your configuration, plug in API keys for your preferred data and LLM providers, and fire up the CLI to watch your ensemble of agents come alive. Its modular structure means you can iterate rapidly, swap a new analyst model, test a different trader logic, or benchmark LLMs across providers, without wrestling with monolithic, brittle code. In short, TradingAgents is ready-made for ambitious prototyping, side-by-side agent comparisons, or high-throughput research labs. If you've ever wanted to see what happens when autonomous, explainable AIs run a trading desk together, this is your next stop. To dive in, just clone the repo, run your first agent workflow, and follow the CLI prompts. The frontier of AI trading is right at your fingertips.